Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of cybersecurity with a twist. I hired a hacker to see just how much of my information is out there, and what tools they use. We'll break down 7 free tools hackers use to uncover your emails, social profiles, and even devices in your home. This isn't to scare you, but to show you how exposed we all are, and how to protect yourself. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Don't use these tools for anything illegal. Let's pull back the curtain and see how hackers think, so you can beat them at their own game. Ready? Let's get started. First up is Maltego, a digital detective's dream. Maltego creates a visual map of how your online information is connected. Start with a name, email, or company, and Maltego scours public sources to build a web of connections. It links your social media, work profiles, websites, and more, often revealing overlaps you didn't know existed. For hackers, it's the ultimate reconnaissance tool. They can see relationships, spot weak links, and identify targets. Imagine starting with a company's domain. Maltego can uncover employee emails, LinkedIn profiles, server IPs, and even physical addresses. It's all about connecting the dots, turning scattered data into a complete digital footprint. The visualization makes it easy to spot patterns and vulnerabilities. To protect yourself, minimize your public digital footprint. Use different emails for different services, avoid linking personal and professional accounts, and be mindful of what you share. The less Maltego can find, the safer you are. Hackers love easy targets. Don't be one. Maltego shows just how much is out there, waiting to be connected. It's a wake-up call for anyone who thinks their online life is private. Stay vigilant, and keep your digital world separate and secure. The more you know, the harder you are to target. Let's move to the next tool. This one's all about emails and hidden doorways. Meet the Harvester, a tool that scoops up emails, employee names, and subdomains in minutes. Hackers use it to build a list of targets for phishing or to find weak spots in a company's network. The Harvester scrapes public sources like Google, LinkedIn, and even Shodan for anything tied to a domain. It's not hacking, it's collecting what's already out there. Subdomains are a goldmine. Forgotten servers or test sites often have weak security. Hackers look for these hidden doorways to slip inside a company's defenses. In just minutes, they can map out emails and infrastructure, perfect for planning an attack. To defend yourself, don't post employee emails publicly, and audit your subdomains regularly. Train staff not to use work emails for personal accounts. Use the Harvester on your own company to see what's exposed, then lock it down. The less you reveal, the less a hacker can find. It's all about closing those hidden doors before someone else finds them. Next up, a search engine that scans the entire internet, not just websites. Ready for Shodan? This one's a game changer. Let's dive in. Stay alert. Shodan isn't your average search engine. It scans the entire internet for connected devices. Webcams, routers, smart fridges, even power plants. If it's online, Shodan can find it. Hackers use Shodan to discover unsecured devices, from live security cameras to industrial control systems. Many devices have default passwords or no security at all, making them easy targets. Shodan reveals everything: open databases, exposed servers, and smart home gadgets leaking data. It's a gold mine for attackers and a nightmare for privacy. Anyone can use Shodan. No dark web required. The free version is powerful enough to find serious vulnerabilities. Security researchers use it to warn companies, but hackers use it to exploit them. Protect yourself. Change default passwords, secure your home network, and disable remote access you don't need. Businesses should regularly scan their own IP ranges to see what's exposed. If you find an open device, lock it down immediately. Shodan is a wake-up call. Your smart devices might be smarter than you think. Don't let your front door be wide open to the world. Next, let's look at a tool that automates all this information gathering. ReconNG is up next. It's the hacker's automated assistant. Let's see how it works. Stay sharp. On to the next tool. ReconNG is like a hacker's command center for gathering public information. It's a modular framework. Think of it as a toolkit that automates everything from finding emails to scraping social media. You can mix and match modules to build a custom workflow for any target. ReconNG stores everything it finds in a database, making it easy to connect the dots. Hackers can automate entire chains of attacks, find subdomains, check for open ports, and cross-reference vulnerabilities, all in one place. It's efficient, powerful, and constantly updated by the security community. Recon NG lets one person do the work of an entire team. To defend against it, reduce your public information everywhere: social media, company websites, and public records. Audit your digital footprint regularly. The less data you expose, the less Recon NG can find. Defense in depth is key: strong privacy settings, careful posting, and regular audits. Recon NG is a reminder that automation makes attacks faster and easier. Don't make it easy for attackers. Next, we'll see how Google itself can be used as a hacking tool. Google dorking is up next. You won't believe what's hiding in plain sight. Let's check it out. Stay cautious. Moving on. Google dorking, using advanced search operators to find sensitive info that was never meant to be public. Hackers use commands like cite, file type, and inURL to uncover exposed documents, passwords, and even live security cameras. For example, searching file type XLS in-text password siteexample.com can reveal spreadsheets full of credentials. Misconfigurations and forgotten files are everywhere. Google just makes them easy to find. Hackers have databases of dorks to uncover everything from open webcams to private server logins. It's all about knowing the right search terms. Before launching an attack, hackers spend hours Google dorking for the lowest hanging fruit. Protect yourself. Use robots.txt to block search engines from sensitive directories, and never store private files in public folders. Regularly search your own name and domains with Google Dorks to see what's exposed. If you find something, remove it fast. Google dorking is simple, powerful, and available to everyone. Don't let your secrets be one search away. Next, let's talk about the human element, where hackers use psychology, not just code. The Social Engineer Toolkit is up next. This is where things get personal. Let's dive in. The Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET, is all about tricking people, not computers. SET automates phishing attacks, making it easy to clone websites and craft convincing emails. Hackers use it to create fake login pages for sites like Gmail or Facebook, then send emails urging you to verify your account. Victims enter their credentials, and SET instantly sends them to the hacker. SET can also create malicious files, like fake invoices, that install malware when opened. The toolkit's menu-driven interface makes complex attacks simple, even for beginners. The real danger? SET exploits human trust and urgency. Protect yourself. Always check URLs before entering passwords. Be skeptical of urgent emails, and enable two-factor authentication. If something feels off, don't click. SET proves that the biggest vulnerability is often human. Stay alert, and don't let social engineering catch you off guard. Next, let's see the most automated OSINT tool yet. Spiderfoot is up next. This one takes information gathering to a whole new level. Let's see how deep it goes. Spiderfoot is the ultimate automated OSINT tool. Think of it as a data mining factory. Give it a name, email, or domain, and it checks over 200 data sources for every scrap of info. It finds emails, subdomains, breached data, social profiles, and even dark web mentions automatically. Spiderfoot is recursive. Every new piece of data triggers more searches, building a massive web of connections. Results are visualized in maps and detailed reports, making it easy to spot vulnerabilities. Hackers use Spiderfoot to build a complete dossier on targets, without ever touching their servers. For defenders, it's a powerful way to audit your own exposure. Use Spiderfoot on your own domains to see what's out there, then fix what you find. The key is minimizing your public footprint and running regular privacy audits. Offensive security means using these tools before attackers do. Knowledge is your best defense. Spiderfoot shows just how much is out there, waiting to be found. Don't wait for someone else to discover your weak spots. Take action now. We've covered a lot. Let's wrap it up. Here's what you need to remember. Stay secure. That's 7 powerful tools hackers use to gather your information. The goal isn't to scare you, but to help you defend yourself. Think about your digital footprint, what's out there, and how can you lock it down. Change default passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be skeptical of suspicious emails. Small steps make a big difference. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which tool surprised you most. Stay safe, and see you next time.